today for the Bitcoin price. And you're probably telling me, well, Chris, your title is as gray and as depressive as the sky in Germany. Well, you are right. But hear me out. When I am saying I'm out, it's a very, very specific meaning behind, because obviously I am a long-term believer in Bitcoin. I am not gonna touch my long-term holding Bitcoin. But there's one specific level, one line in the sand. Very, very close look on here on the Bitcoin chart, here on the weekly chart, which when we are going below, I'm out of all of my long trades. I'm out of all trades for the time being for Bitcoin. I want to tell you exactly what this level is. I want to tell you exactly what this one specific level is I am looking at right now, how we can incorporate that in our trading strategy, and what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Guys, watch this video until the very end. The video I made yesterday or the video before, it got like 16,000 likes. That is crazy. It's unseen in crypto space. You are breaking all the records here on a daily basis. I'm really truly appreciative for that. Thank you so much for that. You are the reason why I'm waking up in the morning with a smile in my face, because I know I'm gonna pick up my phone and I'm gonna be able to talk to the most amazing community in the world. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, retweeting, and everything else. We will talk about VPAD towards the end of the video, because we have crazy news to share. People actually claiming millions of US dollars in free VPAD tokens. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do that, how you can get a hold of more free VPAD tokens after we already gave out 70 million US dollars in free tokens to the community. Stick here with me until the very end. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. This is something very important. So here on the weekly candles, you can see actually two levels that I was talking about before. And we are still in between, right? We have here this very important volume resistance on the top, which is coming in approximately at the levels of 58,000 all the way up to 62, 64,000 US dollars. Well, we are far away from that. We're actually much closer to the support. And this support is right now in between the 44,000 and the 41,000 US dollar levels. Actually, the level I mentioned earlier as my worst case scenario. We dipped already in. And that's interesting, guys. This is something I wanted to show you. If I am putting out the Fibonacci retracement level from the top all the way to the bottom, look at this. The most important golden pocket, this is exactly where we went into. This is why I mentioned this exact level as my worst case scenario. We are still above that. So this is the line in the sand I'm talking about, because not only that it's the Fibonacci golden pocket, no, it's much more than that. Let's remain on the weekly candles for Bitcoin, because if I were to pull out the EMA ribbon on the weekly, look at this. You see it on the downside, this red line. This is the 50-week moving average and the bottom of the 50 of the EMA weekly ribbon. So we are seeing an insane amount of confluence. We already went down for a retest. So as long as Bitcoin is staying above that, I'm in a bull market narrative as long as we are staying above. That means on the flip side, and actually let me quickly zoom out here and also show you the VPVR, and you will see very, very easily that actually around these levels, the last cluster of support is actually going away. And below that, we are having just a whole lot of nothing. And the next support is actually coming in around the previous lows. So putting that together would mean, well, if we go below the 40,000 US dollar level, if Bitcoin were to, let me eliminate all of these things here. If Bitcoin were to, let me go back to the camera mode. If Bitcoin actually were to surpass this level and close a weekly candle below the 40,000, 41,000 US dollar level, give or take, create a lower low and actually close below this very important support. This is when I'm looking out for potential price targets of 32,000 US dollars. Unlike this is not happening, unless this is not happening, I am staying bullish. But yes, this is where I'm referring to my title. Once we close below a weekly candle, this is important. It has to be a weekly candle. Yes, that's why I'm stepping back, and I'm gonna say I'm stepping back from trading, at least for the time being, at least until we are reaching these price levels, because I'm a conditional long trader. I'm longing or I'm waiting, and if this is happening, I'm out of my long trades and I'm gonna be waiting. So far, I'm still in. So far, I'm still waiting and getting ready for my next long position for Bitcoin. Actually, let me quickly go over here what you can see. I wanted to talk about this later on. If I'm going over in the pinned comment down below, you are still getting 10,000 US dollars almost in free bonuses. Femex 4,100. Actually, sign up on Bybit. It's a good good moment to sign up on Bybit. I will soon tell you also why. Actually, down below, a $10,000 bonus. Make sure you're clicking these links. And also, of course, let's talk about what's happening on VPAD, because people are texting me left and right. Maybe you watching this video right now, you missed out on our free IDO allocation on VPAD, where we actually gave out almost $70 million in free VPAD. Well, we are still giving out millions of US dollars per week in staking rewards. And this is actually where this news is coming in. I am going to talk about Bitcoin just in a moment. Stick here with me. But if I am actually going over here, look at this. Just a second. No, wait. It was actually over on my Twitter. 21.8 million VPAD staked already. This is crazy, but almost $45 million in VPAD is locked up. And people are actually right now posting their staking rewards. Someone was staking 1,000 tokens and received after a week 305, like that's like $600 in a week for just locking up $2,000 worth of tokens. This guy, like he said, crazy. Look at this, 1,300 VPAD staked. He got 240 VPAD in a week in staking rewards. This guy got like almost $1,000 within a week just for staking VPAD. Most of the people are actually locking it away for 5 years because they get weekly VPAD claimable on our platform VLaunch.com. 1,000 VPAD to claim for this, guys. This is like in a week he got 1,000. Let me quickly go back. In a week he got like almost $2,000 worth of VPAD. Like you can easily live off that, at least this person, right? So keep in mind, if you don't have so much to lock up, well, lock it up for longer. The more you lock up and the longer you lock it up, the more staking rewards you are getting and the more allocations you can get in the future on our platform. This is why the people are going so crazy about that. This is what you have to keep in mind. And also, guys, keep in mind that if you are not getting a hold of VPAD yet, this is the exchanges. Make sure you are always trading only the legitimate ones. Check it on CoinMarketCap, type in VLaunch, and you can see we are already listed on 7 exchanges. If you use my Phemex link down below, you can get a hold of VPAD, of course, and do whatever we want with it. You can buy it, you can sell it, you can stake it on VLaunch.com, which is probably the nicest decision most of the people are taking, considering how crazy the staking rewards are right now. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about that. This is just some news I really wanted to drop to you, which are absolutely crazy. But of course, keep this level here in mind. Keep the $41,000 to $44,000 level in mind. Still my worst case scenario for Bitcoin, which I am actually predicting right now. Let me know what you think about that. I am here in my hometown, in a hotel, just for the time being, until I'm continuing my travel here very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. You know what? Let me show you a little bit of my hometown. And as always, guys, beautiful, right? Bye-bye.